Hi everybody, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Syed Kaiser and you're watching my channel Python Coders. Alright, so guys, आज हम बात करेंगे basic operators के बारे में, arithmetic operators. Like we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. चार basic operators हैं किसी भी programming language में, in computer science we can say so. तो आज हम डील करेंगे बेसिक ऑपरेटर्स के साथ. सो लेट मी ओपन माय एडिटर हियर. वेयर इज इट? हियर इट इज. Let me zoom it a bit so that you can see it clearly. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so since I said we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, let's take one by one. Okay, yeah. So normally let's assign a value to a variable. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. Okay, now let's do z is equal to x plus y. Let's print the result. Print z. We got 7. So similar like other programming languages, addition works the same way in Python programming. That's subtraction, you can follow the same, just you have to eliminate plus with the minus and that'll do. Now let's see for multiplication. All right, we'll do the same thing as with the same variables. Print without storing it to the final variable. We'll just directly print the multiplication result. That is print x multiplied by y. तो देखते हैं कि आंसर क्या आता है. So we got 10. So since x is 2, y is 5. 2 multiplied with 5 is 10. So which we got here. So addition, subtraction, multiplication done. Now let's see division. Print x divided by 5. Sorry, y. Divided by y. We got 0.4 because 1 is odd and 1 is even. So the result will be a fractional number, definitely. In order to get an integer output in any basic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, even if you are getting a fractional output, we use a floor division. That's something like this. Print x floor division by y. So here we got 0. So I'll give another example. Suppose wait a sec. Okay, suppose x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 10, right? So if we do the normal division, say print y was 10 floor division by and x was 20. So not floor division, we have to do normal division. Alright, we got 0.5 here, which means that normal division gives us the fractional value as well. But in order to just जब हमें चाहिए fractional number नहीं चाहिए, हमें सिर्फ integer output चाहिए, तब हम floor division use करते हैं, which is represented by this // divisions symbol. Alright, so that was about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. There is another basic operator used in Python that is called as modulo. Alright, so you know that percentage sign? Yeah, that's called as modulo. So how do we use that and what is that used for? Modulo का use ये है कि basic operations में we use modulo operator in order to get the remainder, integer remainder from the division. Let's see an example. So suppose x is equal to 5 and y is equal to say 10. Alright, so let's say print alright, तो हमारा x का वैल्यू 5 है, y का वैल्यू 10 है. So both are integer variables and what we are doing is y modulo x. Okay, so normal division करेंगे y divided by x, which means 10 divided by 5. तो आंसर आना चाहिए 2, right? That is the quotient actually, and the remainder is 0. So here we are doing the modulo operation, not the normal division. So the answer should be 0, which is the remainder. Now let's check it out. So print y modulo x, then enter, and here we got 0. So hence we use the modulo operator to get the remainder of a division. Alright, तो हमारे पास और एक basic operation है, that's called as power operation, exponential, right? Let's take an example. Directly say print 2 हाउ डू वी रिप्रेजेंट, हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं यहाँ पे एक्सपोनेंट को? डबल मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन, ऑलराइट. टू मल्टीप्लिकेशन सिंबल्स यू हैव टू यूज. सपोज we have 5, 2 raised to power 5, so that should print 32 and it is printing 32. Coming next is the same operations we'll do with strings. These were all the operations we had done with the numbers only, floating point numbers, integers, and now we do the same operations with strings. Let's take an example. Suppose my string is equal to hello. Now let's use the plus symbol, that is the addition symbol. Now, let's see what happens. Let's take another string, your string. Your string is equal to world. Okay. Now let's do print my string plus your string, enter, and we get hello world. What does that mean? Plus symbol or the addition symbol in strings, when we use, it's used for concatenation. What is concatenation? Concatenation का मतलब है हम दो strings को आपस में जोड़ लेते हैं and that becomes one string. That is here हमने एक string define किया था my string, okay, which has the value hello. दूसरा string हमारा था your string जिसका value है world. And जब हमने concatenate किया दोनों को with the operator plus, what it did is it printed as the concatenated string. दोनों को जोड़ के इसने print किया, that is hello world. Now let's see multiplication operation with the same strings. तो हमारे पास string already है my string. Let's check on that. Print my string multiplied by 3. So by looking at it, that is the statement print my string multiplied by 3. It doesn't give any sense really, right? Like हम एक string को multiply कर रहे हैं एक integer से. What should it give? But the idea or concept here is that जब भी हम Python में कोई भी integer number से multiply करते हैं किसी string value को, what happens is multiplies that string value and it prints the repetition of that value. So let's see what actually it does. Print my string into 3. My string का value है hello. Okay, guys, look at here. So hello, how many times it has printed? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 number we had given here to multiply my string with. किसी भी string को multiply करेंगे किसी भी number, integer number से, तो Python क्या करेगा? It will multiply, it will try to print that number that many times, the integer number, right? So similarly we'll do another statement here, print, this time हम लेंगे your string multiplied by 2. Alright, your string का value है हमारे पास world. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we got world 2 times, the value of your string. So now you got to know what multiplication operation does with the string.